Hello, friends. First, melt half a stick or 60 grams of butter over medium heat. Friends, it warms my heart to see where you're from, share your country and city, and if you're in the US, let me know your state. Take a piece of pork neck, about 2 pounds or 900 grams. Cut the pork into 4 large pieces. Place the pieces into the frying pan. First fry on one side for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't forget to salt and pepper. If you have any questions about the recipes, leave them in the comments, and I'll respond as soon as I notice them. Then turn the pieces over and fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. If you liked the video, feel free to give it a like. Your support is always welcome. Also, salt and pepper this side. Now, take the pork chunks out of the pan. Next, slice 2 onions into half rings. Today, we're preparing a dish that fills the kitchen with warmth, a meal that's easy to make, satisfying, and brings with it a sense of comforting tradition. Place the onions in a baking dish. Grate 3 cloves of garlic on a mini grater. Friends, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more recipes like this one. Put them into a small bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of paprika, mix it well. Pour this mixture over the onions. Stir them with tongs, making sure the onions are well coated. Now place the pork slices on top of the onions. In a small bowl, mix together 3 fluid ounces or 90 milliliters of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of mustard. Take 1 lemon, cut it in half. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Add it to the bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of rosemary. One teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Stir everything together until smooth. Pour the sauce over the pork and onions. Cover the dish with foil. Bake at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. While the pork is baking, let's prepare the vegetables. In a large frying pan, drizzle some olive oil. Cut 4 medium potatoes into slices. Fry them until crispy. Now, cut the zucchini into rings. Then cut the rings in half. Add it to the potatoes. Stir lightly. Then slice half of a red bell pepper. Add it to the pan. Do the same with half of a yellow bell pepper. Stir everything together. Now chop up 2 stalks of celery. them to the pan. Sauté the vegetables for about 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Put 1 tablespoon of tomato paste in a bowl. Add 5 fluid ounces, or 150 milliliters of water. Stir thoroughly. Pour the tomato sauce over the vegetables. Season with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Stir everything together. Cut 1 broccoli into florets. Add them to the pan. Stir lightly. Then add a sprig of thyme. Let everything simmer for 10 minutes. Next, cut 1 tomato into small slices. Add them to the pan with the vegetables. Stir well. Chop 2 garlic cloves into small pieces. Add them as well. Stir again and stew for another 6 or 7 minutes. Take the pork out of the oven. Remove the foil and bake for another 15 minutes. Once done, place a piece of pork on a plate. Top it with some onions. Add stewed vegetables. That's it. A delicious and hearty meal made with tender pork, flavorful onions, and a medley of sautéed vegetables. The rich, savory sauce and the melt-in-your-mouth pork combine beautifully with the vibrant, perfectly cooked vegetables, creating a comforting, wholesome dish that's sure to please everyone at the table. I hope this recipe brings the same sense of joy and delicious coziness to your family as it did to mine. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until next time, happy cooking.